Hola, amigos. We are back live. We are on 9.3. We're talking graphing quadratic functions. This is a little bit different than 9.2, but it's a lot of the same thing. So we just got a little bit to add on after we find the axis of symmetry and the vertex, okay, which we just did a minute ago. Let's take a peek, see? Let's go back to our original. We know that y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, okay? Let's identify from our practice problem here. This is not from your homework. You'll be doing that on your own after I go through this. Here we go. A equals 1, B equals 4, C equals -3. I like to just identify A, B, and C from a problem and have a little bank of them over here so I always know where to pull from. If you don't do it. That's up to you. Anyway, here we go. We know that AOS is x equals -b over 2 times a. Let's go ahead and plug and play with those numbers. X equals, where's my b? Oh, there it is. -4 over 2 times 1. We know where that is. Right there. 1. Good. Over 2 times 1. What is -4 over 2? Nashi, thank you. Very good. X equals -2. Okay. And that is my AOS. I'm going right here with that. -2. We know what to do with that -2. We're going to take that, plug it back into the equation, and solve for y. Graham, take your headphones off. Y equals -2, use your parentheses, squared, plus 4, oops, I forgot the plus symbol, plus 4 times -2 minus 3. Okay, go to work. Y equals, running out of space, 4, negative times a negative is a positive, -8 minus 3. Very good. 4 minus -8, -4, -4, and -3. You know it. I know it. The American people know it. -7. Muy bien. Everybody, our vertex is -2, -7. Okay. Let's mark that point on our graph. Here we go. Everybody over -2, down -7. Something in that area sounds good. And let's put it an ordered pair of what that is below the point. Let's call it -2, -7. Here we go. Okay. -2, -7. Very sneaky y-intercept. Not difficult. Stay with me, because the y-intercept is always, follow along, Noah, back to your seat, always C. Aha. Aha. So the y-intercept on every standard form quadratic is sneaky C. So it's this number always. Finally, C comes into play. Let's plug it in. Y-intercept is -3. And let's go ahead and mark that on our graph. So if the y-intercept is -3, 0, 0, down 3, perfect. Everybody, let's make an ordered pair for that too. 0, -3. Okay, good. When I was in kindergarten, my art teacher said one word to me, and she went like this. And we were like, yeah, what's that? And then she went like this. I said, yeah, what's that? And then she went like this. And she said, symmetry. And there, my friends, is the AOS. See that AOS? That is cutting the parabola in 2 equal parts. So let's talk about what this point is right here and how we can locate it. It's a little tricksy. There's a little leap of faith here. Does everyone agree that to get from -2, -7 over to 0, -3, I went over 2 and up 4. Let's do the same thing on the other side to figure out what this ordered pair is here. Everyone over 2 to -4 and up 4 to negative 3. Let's call it negative 4, negative 3. And that is my two other points. And I'm going to take that as solutions. You ready? Ready? I'm going negative 4, negative 3, 0, negative 3. And that completes my answer key that I needed, okay? So we found the AOS, we found the vertex, we identified the y-intercept as C, and then we found his mirror image, symmetry, on the other side. Okay, go try number 1 and 2 from your homework. Love you. Kisses, PD.